Do you want to get organized? Hi Crazy Crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making some plain to pretty containers using some basic and ordinary containers from a dollar store. Now let's get to it.
The materials you'll need for this craft are some organizing containers, ribbon, washi tape, scrap of paper, miscellaneous stickers, permanent marker, scissors, and glue. To get started, we're going to start with this container first. And these are just some containers that I bought at like the dollar store, and you get them plain, and I'm just trying to jazz them up a little bit. So this one has a nice straight edge. So what I'm going to do is use some washi tape, and I'm just going to peel it off, and I'm just going to put it right along the top edge like that. And I'm going to put a little bit over the edge and just rip that off. I'll cut it neater with scissors if you want to. You can put some along the bottom edge as well. And again, I'm just going to rip it, but I'm going to make that neater with scissors. I'm just doing the front because that's all you'll see of my container, but you can do the sides and the back if you'd like. And then what I do is I'm just going to cut it right along the edge of the container, and you can just make it go along the sides to hide the edge, and just like that. And that's all there is to that one. If you wanted to, you could write something on it. I'm just going to leave mine plain. So that's one container. And you can get rid of those scraps. Then my next container I'm going to use is this one, and I am going to use my piece of paper that I cut. Now this just fits my container. You can use whatever size is going to fit your container, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to write on it what I'm going to put in this container, and I'm going to put scissors in it. So I'm just going to write the word scissors, and then I'm going to just use some glue. I'm going to put some glue on this paper around the edge, and I'm just going to stick it to the container. Again, you use whatever color paper or shape of paper that you need for your container, and I'm just going to put that right there like that. And then I'm going to take my stickers. I'm just going to use a couple stickers like this, and again I'm going to put some glue on those, and this is totally up to you, whatever color or stickers that you want to use. Make it your own. And I'm just going to put some stickers on there, and that's just another way to pretty that up. Looks like I need a little more glue. Just make sure you go all the way to the edge with your glue so it sticks nice on there. Then my third container is one like this, and it has some holes, some slats in it like that. And I'm going to take my ribbon, and this is just a piece of ribbon that I happen to have left over from another project, and it is wide enough to fit through the slats. That's one thing you want to make sure that it's going to fit in your container. And what I would do before you cut the ribbon to size, just make sure you have plenty to go around and enough to make a nice bow at the end. So I want my bow right in the front here. So what I need to do is I need to start weaving right about here. I'm going to start weaving, and I'm going to go all the way around the container and end up about here, and then I'll have space right here to tie my bow. That's where the ends of my ribbon will be. So I'm just going to start like this and just stick it in and just pull it out and just keep going all the way around, in and out the slats. When you get towards the front again, you want to make sure that you pull the ribbon through so you have equal pieces in the front. It's easier to do when you do that a little bit at a time. So I'm just going to finish up these last couple here in the front. And end up with it coming out like that. And then I can just pull both of my ends and make sure that they're even. And that's about right there. And then I'm going to tie my bow. So I'm going to tie this nice and tight. And I'm just going to do this. You don't have to tie a bow. You can just tie it in a knot if you'd like. And I'm going to do this. And then just neaten it up a little bit. I can neaten that up. Just turning this the right way so you see the polka dots. And it'll take a little time. I just kind of pull on both sides until it's about the same size. And then I would, with these, you could just cut them as long as you want them so they don't hang up too long.
I hope you had fun decorating these containers, and I hope they help you stay organized. If you like this video, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks Crazy Crafters for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!